All right, hello, my friends. Welcome back. Today is day 5 of Ephemera. I mean, I guess it's technically day 2, but it's day 5 because we're going by the dates on here. So today, our prompt is Salvaged Birds. Y'all, I don't know. I don't know what to do about that. I can say I don't recommend Googling salvaged birds if you are an animal lover like me. It's a little upsetting, but I'm assuming, you know, we're supposed to take it more as like salvaged items. But anyway, so I honestly, I don't know. I don't know what I want to do about it. I'm still trying to get my head around some ideas to see what we can do, but I figured while I try to think up some stuff that we could go ahead and make the base pieces for our ephemera. So this I got from Margie, and they're very thin, so I thought I would back them with some of my tea stained paper and make little either tags or maybe jumbo tickets or something, just something to use as the base while I figure out what the heck I want to do about these salvaged birds, because honestly I don't know. Should I just use like a bunch of different papers and build birds with them? I don't know. I don't think I have really any like metal pieces that I could use to make them. Yeah, I'm not sure, but we're gonna go ahead and, oops, well, this one doesn't want to tear correctly. That's okay. I only need 3 of them anyway, as I tear into the other one. It's fine. Oh, Lord. So here I have just some tea-dyed paper, and I'm gonna make 3 little tags with this. So let me get those glued down. Okay, so as you can see, I went with kind of a ticket shape. I think you can actually see it better against the darker area. And while I was doing that, I remembered that I had this. So this I picked up in a one of my local thrift stores a couple months ago, but it is full of pictures, little illustrations of birds. So I think what I'll do is I will pick a couple of images and fussy cut those, and then once that's done, I'll be right back with you guys. Okay, so I have picked out some birds. I also kept, I don't know if I'll use it yet or not, but they've got the little like information things for them. And I was thinking to do some embossing glaze on these because I want them to stand out a little bit more, and two, salvaged items, or salvage is a ship or its cargo that somebody has, you know, salvaged. So I was thinking, I did a test piece, and I was thinking I like the vintage photo. This is the Lost Shadow, and I was thinking about doing that to give it kind of like a silvery look, but I think this one looks more like a rusty brown metal, something that might be found at the bottom of the ocean. So I will do that on top of the birds. All right, I want to add a little bit more texture here. So, let go. I'm gonna use my stencil and the gathered twigs distress oxide. And we're just gonna do a little stenciling to give it some more texture. Okay, I also want to add some actual texture, so I'm going to go in with some modeling paste. And just in a few areas, get a little bit of texture. This will pick up the distress oxide, so keep that in mind. Okay. So, what I did was I found a feather that I think kind of goes, guys, this is loosely, it is not at all accurate, but that I felt kind of went with each of the birds. I did cut out their little, names. I'm just throwing things now. And then I do have their information. So I was thinking about doing a little collage with that for each of them. This is the penguin. And the ostrich. Penguin. There we go. Now the question is, do I want to, I think I want to add some stamping, like specimen numbers, but I want to do the collages first, so that I know where to stamp them. So I'm quickly just going to ink these bits, and then I'll put everything together. Okay, so you can see I went ahead and did the stamping, but it was just not popping enough. Like I felt like I couldn't really see it. It was getting lost. So I just covered it up with my white gesso and then re-stamped those. So I'm pretty happy with these, but I do think I want to re-ink the edges because since I used that same gathered twigs to do the background, I don't feel like the edges are dark enough. So go in with, I think, walnut stain. Should I go in with black? Should I go in with walnut stain? Uh-oh. I think I'll go in with the black, actually. Walnut stain's probably dark enough, but there we go. This I know will give me contrast. All right, I am much more happy with that. Put that there, and we have one final step. I want you to guess what it's going to be because I don't think you'll get it. I'm pretty sure all of you should get it. This is me that we're talking about. I can't get my paint open. Come on. Holy crap. There we go. Goodness gracious. Okay. Just a couple of splatters. All right. Just need to let those dry for a second. And while they dry, we'll set those off to the side for a second. Let's find a spot to put them in our journal. Hey, none of that. I've made messes. Oh well. So, I think I have in here somewhere, I do not remember where, but I have a fabric that I'd put in that I could possibly use as a belly band. Think. Thought I had, here it is. So yeah, this is actually just sewn in. It's part of the signature, so I have another one farther back, but I can just put glue down on this and I have a pre-made belly band. I think we shall do that. Okay, I think I'm actually just gonna leave it like that. Put these in here. I like how you can still see like some of the descriptive words like graceful and stuff like that. I think that's very cool. That one's still a little damp. Let's check this one. I'm definitely adding some bulk, aren't I? Okay. So, there's that. I'm pretty happy with them. I mean, is it my absolute most, you know, original idea ever? No, I don't think so. But for not knowing, you know, not having any idea what I wanted to do, I'm pretty happy with how these turned out. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in a comment down below. How would you have interpreted this prompt? Because this one was definitely a little difficult for me. Much outside my comfort zone, but I still had a lot of fun doing this. So thank you guys so much for coming along with me today. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give a like if you did. Anyway, thank you guys so much for coming with me today. I really appreciate you guys taking your time to be here. And really quick, I almost forgot. See, I was gearing up to do my buy. We need to pick our scrap for tomorrow. Okay, so today we're going to pull from Barbara's stash that she sent us. Let's see. Oop, got something. A piece of tea stain paper. You know what? We'll use that, but let's grab one more thing because that's not very exciting. Okay. So we'll use these two scraps from Barbara tomorrow. Again, today's was done with Margie's. I will link her channel down below. She's the other one who does the YouTube. Everyone else is posting on Instagram, but I will post their Instagrams below as well. So yeah, thank you guys so much for coming along with me today. I will see you tomorrow for the next one. Bye.